as I shoot this video. We're coming up to Christmas. I'm super excited. 2 daughters. They're so excited. Daddy, what are we going to get for Christmas? Well, once Christmas out of the way, we've got New Year, but that's New Year for us. What about in China? China, well, their New Year just happens to be 3 weeks after our New Year. And as a result of that, there's some interesting problems that creates for us as e-commerce seller. What are they? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you. Chinese New Year. Sunday, the 22nd of January is Chinese New Year. China will shut, but it doesn't just shut for that day, the 23rd. It actually shuts for 1 week before and 1 week after. So what happens is that all the factories and all of the lorry delivery services, so all the freight, what happens over there, the customs brokers, the warehouses, everything will absolutely either completely close or go to a skeleton staff. Like there'll be hardly anybody there. Shanghai will be a literal ghost town relative to what it normally is. So a couple of things to think about. So you absolutely want to be thinking about that right now. Like in 1 month's time, 13th of January, you won't be able to get anything out of China. You won't be able to get anything out of China because it'll all just close. And then for 2 weeks after that, up until the end of January, it'll be closed, okay? So here's what happens. Orders that are put in now, great. You don't have too many problems. Normally these things have got a 2 or 3 week production cycle, depending on what you're getting done, of course. And so you shouldn't have too many problems. Just know though, the factory will absolutely prioritize orders from bigger customers, i.e. who spend more with them, and customers who've got a lot more guanxi than you have, a lot more goodwill than you have, who've been doing business for longer. Typically, that's what that means. So they get put first. At this time of year, they go first, okay? So the factory wants to maintain those relationships. You, as a new person, you kind of get pushed to the back, okay? And that's normal. That doesn't mean say you shouldn't order. What it means to say is you should keep that in mind and order now. The sooner, the better. And then everything closes. So the factories go hell for leather and they try everything they can to get everything out of the door by the 13th when basically they close. And that's sometimes an issue because corners get cut. Sometimes quality is not great. Like you've got to have your eyes on the ball and get an inspection done. Now more than any other time, inspection at factory, get it done. So that happens. And then they close. And then everybody comes back at the end of the month. And again, what happens is there'll be an order backlog. And so again, they prioritize long-standing relationships with customers and also customers who spend more. They prioritize that to get the new orders or the orders that they didn't get out the door prior to Chinese New Year done, okay? So what does all that mean? Oh, I'm burping a lot. What that means is if you are on the fence about ordering, you should order now. This is when you should be ordering. Don't wait, get it done. Because if you do wait, it's probably going to be 2 months before you can even get to production. If you're ordering out of China, it's probably going to be 2 months before you can even get to production. Like they start your thing before you can even get done. Okay. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com aussie.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.